Available in multiple colors and packed in compact rolls, these pet waste bags are designed for convenient everyday carrying and quick access during walks. At HAPLAST, the film moves through a continuous production process, where the material is sealed, perforated, rolled, and converted into compact pet waste bag rolls ready for daily use. Each bag tears off cleanly from the roll, then unfolds into a practical size for quick everyday handling. The perforated tear line supports smoother separation, while the portable dispenser makes carrying more convenient during walks. In use, the bag turns inside out for cleaner pickup, helping reduce direct contact before being tied securely for disposal. Manufactured by HAPLAST Group, this product is backed by recognized certifications that reflect our commitment to quality control, product compliance, and export-ready manufacturing standards. That is why global partners continue to place their trust in HAPLAST. Looking for a reliable insulated food bag manufacturer? Partner with HAPLAST Group for practical, export-ready packaging solutions.